currently in Rapid City, South Dakota, and today we're gonna be going to Bear Country, USA, which is a really cool drive-through wildlife thing where you see bears and elk and all kinds of different stuff. And then, of course, being here, we're gonna hit Mount Rushmore, and then also I'm gonna hike up to Elk Peak. And that's a really cool hike, and it has this tower at the top of it that looks like a castle, and it's on this mountain. I thought it looked awesome, so I'm gonna do that. I'm also gonna be making a quesarito, which is a quesadilla with burrito stuff inside and wrapped up like a burrito. That'll be delicious. Probably one of my favorite foods ever. And then lastly, I'm gonna find a really cool spot to camp out in the Black Hills. So I'll see you when we get there. Bear Country. All right, bam, got it. And there are already elk right there. Next up, we're gonna see some reindeer. All right, wolves. They're Arctic wolves, and there's one right there sleeping on a rock. Now for some bighorn sheep. Mountain goat time. There they are. Wow, those wolves are right there. They're looking at the rams. Look at this. Ah, we got a wolf right there. Just saying what's up. This is so cool. If you're ever in South Dakota, go to Bear Country, USA. Bye, buddy. You have a good one, all right? Ah, there's the mountain lion. You guys probably don't want to see the bears, do you? Oh my gosh, look how many bears there are. Holy moly. We got some big ones. Some big boys. Some boys on some logs. Laying down. Next up, pronghorn, bison, and mule deer. Well, that did not disappoint at all. That was so cool. Wow. All right, but now let's see if Mount Rushmore can compare. Check. Soon to be all checked. All 50 states. Well, that was cool. Pretty grand. All right, now we're gonna go to Black Elk Peak Trailhead. All right, found it. I have directions on my phone, so let's get it. So I just talked to a lady at the park entrance, and she says I'm too tall to fit through the tunnels. I'm gonna head back down the way we came, which was a pretty way, so that's cool. Found something going in here. A bit bumpy, but that'll work. Got a nice little spot. So now I am starving. The hike isn't gonna happen because I couldn't get into Custer Park and I didn't find another trail that was good enough. So I'm gonna make my quesarito here and just see what happens. see if we can roll her. I don't know. I kind of made this recipe up on the fly. Oh, it's a giant taco. Because I don't know if I want to roll this into a burrito, but it can be like a giant chalupa kind of. So it's gonna be a quesataco. Put some salsa on there. All right, looks good. Let's see. That was magnificent. And the quesadilla on the outside, that's just, oh, this is right. There's thunder. Yeah, it's a pretty good spot we found. Nice and chill. I still have phone reception. Probably end up working later tonight because it's not even 6 yet. I have internet service. I definitely think I'm gonna get some work in tonight because I go to school online, so editing the videos, of course. Being new to that, I'm pretty slow. But I think they're getting better, and I think they're just gonna keep getting better. Phenomenal. I'm just gonna chill this afternoon in this spot. It's pretty cool. Found a Milky Way, so I'm gonna eat that too. That's it for the night. In the morning, I'm gonna be going to Nebraska. I believe I'm going to the fossil beds. Yeah, I'm just gonna chill for the rest of the afternoon. I'll see you in the morning. Or if something really cool happens, but we'll see. Good morning. So as you can see, I just made a buffalo chicken breakfast burrito and coffee. It's a good breakfast to a good little view. Just my own little home out here. Sick. Yeah, let's try this burrito. That's an amazing breakfast burrito. I love buffalo chicken. It is so good. If I haven't told you guys, I created my map by following the outline of this one map of this computer science dude who crunched a bunch of data and found all the awesome things in America that people love to do and found it in each state and then traced it around there. You guys can go check out America's Best Road Trip. And then I added just a few little tweaks based on places that I want to go. Anyways, I do believe this is the end of the video. I think we had a good time. So yeah, thanks for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe. Last video, thank you guys. You really commented and interacted with me. That was awesome. It was really good to hear from you guys and hearing what you guys want to see, any tips that you have, anything you're curious about, because then in the future I can make a video on that. Right now we've been in a bunch of mountain areas where the coolest thing to do is go outside. But you know, soon we'll be on the East Coast and that won't really be the case. So it'll definitely be a style change up of video. If you have a recommendation in any of the states, definitely drop that in the comments, or something you want me to cook, drop that in the comments as well. But yeah, thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.